Welcome back to CAS 133, Introduction to Computers, Office Programs at Columbia Gorge Community College in the Dalles. Instructor Linda Hughitt. This video is going to be showing you how to upload files or turn your work in during the course. This video is for both the hybrid course, which will look like this when you log in. It'll have this look in the course shell. And for the online version that will look more like this. It works the same way in both courses. Now, if you've taken Moodle courses in the past, there are really two versions of Moodle, the old and the new. If you were taking this course using the old version of Moodle, it has changed a lot for how you do a lot of things, including uploads. So we're going to talk about how to upload an assignment. You've gone through here, you're into week 1 or 5 or whatever you are. It's probably week 1 at this point since you're just learning how to do this. And you've gone through and you've looked at any support materials you've needed. You've gone through all your information in the instructional materials that are required. You've gone through all your directions and your checklists and your assignments. And now you've actually completed an assignment. You're ready to do the actual turning in or uploading or submitting of that assignment. So you're going to go, in my case I did the WordPad assignment. I'm going to click right here. It's going to bring it up. We've got some directions here, and these actually may no longer be current. I'm going to have to fix those probably, considering Moodle has changed how they're going to do it. And you're going to click upload a file. Now up to that point it looked about the same, and now you've got this box. Well, there's a couple of ways. You can use the choose a file, and you can ask it to go out and find where that file is. So you're going to choose it. And you're going to go out like to your desktop, and you're going to look for the name of the file that it is that you want to upload. And I have Hughitt WordPad. That's why I do suggest that you keep your files in a folder. And that's one of the things we'll work on in week 1 is creating folders to put all your things in. And you can click open. And you can click upload this file. And that is one way to upload that file. In a minute it should show up. The faster your internet connection, the sooner the file will show up. And you can see that it's there. If you have a slow internet connection, you may have to wait a little bit for this to show up here. And you'll notice it says TXT. That tells me it's saved in the correct file format. I can see what I've uploaded. I've seen the name of it. I can see the file format of it. And then I hit Save Changes. And it tells me I can continue. Takes me back here. And it allows me to look at the fact that I do have it there. But there is another way to do it as well. So I'm going to update this file. And in this class, you can do as many uploads as you would like before it's due, other than right at the end. Near the end of the class, there are a couple of assignments that can only be turned in one time. They're basically as a test type of assignment, and it says it at the upload, and it tells you that, in fact, you only get one shot at it. So here I am. I made it smaller on purpose because you notice it says you can drag and drop. So I can grab this file from my desktop and I can drag it over and I can drop it on there. And again, it may take a little bit for it to show up here, and other times it'll show up quite quickly depending on the file and your connection speed. Hit Save Changes. You don't have to ask me to remove a file. You don't have to ask permission to upload a file a second time. All you have to do is go ahead and do it. You'll notice it also gives me the date and time. So if you look at it before you upload a replacement file and you do it a second time, you should be able to make sure you have your new and corrected file there. Maybe you've discovered a mistake or a typo. So that gives you an idea of how to go about doing it. And again, if you have a correction you need to do after I give you feedback, you don't have to ask my permission to do so. All you have to do is simply go in and do this update. Now, if I want to do the drag and drop the first time, I'm going to use the other course shell so you can see it done from scratch a second time. I simply go to the upload. Maybe I have it out on a flash drive. I just make it smaller. I would simply go up to my computer, I would go out and open my flash drive, wherever it is, and I would find my file. Once I found my file, I would simply grab it. Actually, I have to hit the upload first. And I would simply grab it and set it on. So you have the two choices of whether you're going to choose a file or if you're going to find it either on your flash drive or your desktop and you're going to just grab it and drag it. Be sure to hit Save Changes because until you've done so, you are not done. Be sure you hit Continue. Expand it so you can look at it and make sure you have the right file. Make sure this file name matches with this assignment name. In other words, if I'm uploading my paint project and it says WordPad here and this one says paint, I have accidentally clicked on the wrong one and I need to fix it. Just simply go back and do it again and use the correct one to fix it. Hope this helps you get things uploaded.